let's see how you can remove this paint off the doorknobs. In order to do that, I'm going to be using this product here. One of the biggest challenges was opening the cap, because it usually comes with a plastic opener on top. The little cap has a child lock. It was a challenge opening it. Now I'm going to share with you how I actually ended up opening. Now I'm going to show you how you can actually fix this problem. In order to fix this, you need to apply a little bit of it on any piece of cloth that you have. Make sure that your hands are covered. I've seen some people who do this job without having their hands covered or wearing gloves. So once you do this, you're going to simply wipe clean these knobs. So it does look like a little gluey substance. And then you start rubbing it against.